In lesson 1.6, we're talking about being able to add in any order, and we have two new vocabulary words that we started talking about today. The first one is add-ins, and those are our two different parts. So our 1 and our 3, those are add-ins, and then we talk about how those two numbers are going to give us our answer or our sum. And our other vocabulary word is order. And those two add-ins that we found, we can flip those and switch the order of them, and it won't make a difference in our answer. So on the homework today, they're having to do that. They're having to solve the addition problems and then pick which two problems in each row have the same add-ins, but they show them in a different order. So for number 1, you would do 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 plus 2, 3, and 3 plus 1 is 4. And then they will see that the first one and the last one, they both have the add-ins of 1 and 3, but they have switched the orders, so they will circle those two. You're going to do the same thing on number 2, 3, and 4. If your child still needs to use pictures, such as squares or circles, to help them with their problem, they can do that. We also introduced today touch dots. So I will add an extra video on to the end of chapter 1 on the blog that has all of the touch dots so you can see where we would put them in class, and you can do the same thing at home. On the last problem at the bottom, they are having to draw a picture to match the addition sentences. They can use either circles or squares on that. And on the back side, the first problem, they just must identify which two numbers, which problem has the same add-ins, just in a different order, and continue to use those word add-ins. That's what we use in class. And then the spiral review at the bottom has a review from lesson 5, the one from lesson 3, number 3. That one is a story problem. We do lots of story problems in class, and I have them usually circle the numbers or the parts that they know, and then we underline our question. And by doing that, by circling the parts, then they can use those parts to write their addition sentence to help them find their answer.